Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to math class. How are you all? I hope you all are good children. Are you preparing for FA3 exams? Yes. What is FA3 math syllabus, children? Fifth chapter and sixth chapter. Okay, fifth and sixth chapter. So first, what is the name of our fifth chapter? The long and short of it. Okay, the long and short of it. The long and short of it. So in this chapter we learned already two fixed measures. Am I right, children? So in this chapter we learned two fixed measures. So first, before going to this, what is handspan, children? Handspan means the distance between thumb finger and little finger. Okay, the distance between thumb finger and little finger. For example, here some flowers are there. I want to measure this with using of my hand span. So how to measure? So this is starting point. Now you have to measure like this. Okay, children, you have to measure like this. This is hand span. Hand span means the distance between thumb finger and little finger. But hand span is fixed measurement, children. When everyone measure, they get the same answers. No, hand span is not a fixed measure. Why? Because the different people have different body size. Okay, different people have different size of body parts. So the hand span is not a fixed measurement. Next, open 94, children. We use fixed measures to measure length of the object. So what are the first fixed measure? We learn centimeter. Okay, centimeter is one of the fixed measurement. Centimeter. So what is the short form of centimeter, children? cm. Okay, cm is short form of centimeter. So we know that scale, we are using scale. So scale is having 15 points marked on it. Okay, in this. Okay, in a scale, totally 15 points marked on it. So scale is 15 centimeter scale. Okay, we are using short scale now. So scale, on scale, totally 15 points marked on it. So this is 15 centimeter scale. Okay, this is 15 centimeter scale. We are using scale to measure the length of the object. Okay, children, we are using centimeter scale to measure the length of the objects like this. Okay, here given some object like toothbrush given here. No, you have to measure the length of the toothbrush like this. Once you have to check, children, what is the length of this brush. So you have to keep the object on the starting 0 point. Okay, you want to measure the length of the object. మీరు ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ లెంత్ మెజర్ చేయాలంటే you have to keep the object on the starting point. Here given 0 centimeter. No, you have to keep here and observe the how many centimeters is that object and find the length of the object. So here the length of the toothbrush is 12 centimeters. Okay, children, like that. And the length of the paintbrush 11 centimeters. Compare your answers with your friends. Are the answers are the same or different here given now, children? So what I said, centimeter is fixed measure or not a fixed measurement? Centimeter is fixed measurement. Means you have to measure and your friend have to measure. You get the same answers. Okay, ever measure chesna same vastundi. Okay, but when compared to the hand span is different. But centimeter is fixed measurement. Whenever you measure the length of the object, so everyone get the same answer with using of this fixed measure centimeter. Okay, open 96. When fixed measures like centimeter are used to measure the length of the object, the answer will be the same even if different people measure them. So even if different people measure them, but everyone get the same answer. So Subhash and Naresh measure the length of their new pencils. Both pencils of the same length. Okay. So same length on a pencil measure cheyalantukunnaru. In these two, which one whose is correct, children? Here Subhash keep pencil on the starting point 0, but Naresh kept on the number 1. Means only Subhash is correct. And another fixed measurement, meter. Okay, another fixed measurement, meter. So the short form of meter is m. Okay, children, the short form of meter is m. So meter is using for measuring length of the long object. Okay, meter is we are using meter for measuring the length of the longer objects, like measuring the length of the board and length of the door. Like that object we are using meter to measure. Okay, and one more thing, everyone remember this point. Okay, children, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay, and things, open page number 98, children. 5.6. Things that you would measure in meters and things that you would measure in centimeter. So means what you have to do, children? We are measuring smaller objects with using of centimeter, and longer objects we are using meter to measure. So for measure with for smaller object, no, centimeter means we are measuring like I want to measure the pencil. Measure pencil means we are using centimeter. And coming to the door, room door, we are using meter to measure the length of the objects. Okay, children, for smaller object we are using centimeters, and longer object we are using meter to measure the length of the object. Okay, children, so this is about today's class. We are having two fixed measurements. What are they, children? Centimeter and meter. So centimeter is smaller unit and meter is longer, bigger unit. Short form of centimeter is cm and short form of meter is m. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Okay, children. So once everyone revise this chapter. Okay, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.